Hello, I'm Sasha. I just got my January 2020 Allure Beauty Box and I'm so excited to do an unboxing with you today. So it comes mailed in this white cardboard box and it's just shrink wrapped and they have a label on the front. So I'm going to open it up with this little cutter here. This is what the front of it looks like. So when you open it up, it has this little mini magazine, they call it. They talk about the different products that are in the box and why people chose them. Then the products themselves are usually wrapped in tissue in the box. I'm so excited to see what's in here because I don't honestly remember if I even saw what the spoilers were. First we have NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Shine Oil Mist. This seems like a hair product that sort of makes your hair look more shiny. I guess I can try it out right now. A bit of a fragrance. I'm not sure if it made my hair a lot shinier just now, but it might be something I consider using once in a while after I style my hair. Next we have the Vita Bird C12 Dual Drop Serum. It says it's a blend of vitamin C and peptides, sort of designed to help reduce the signs of aging and provide hydration. I haven't been using a lot of facial oils lately. This doesn't seem to have much of a scent to it and it seems to absorb quickly. With these vitamin C serums, they seem to be pretty effective, but I like to use them more in the summer because they tend to dry my face out a little bit. Next we have the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar sample. It's called Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. It doesn't say that it has shimmers or anything in it, but according to this little magazine thing here, it says it kind of has a blueberry sorbet texture. Unfortunately, Philosophy isn't a cruelty-free company, so I don't know if I'll be using this, but I'll probably pass it on to a friend. Next we have the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. This looks to be kind of a moisturizer for your lips. It has a very bright kind of yellow appearance. Looking at the ingredients, this seems to be made out of a blend of a lot of different awesome oils. I'm just gonna test a little bit. Wow, that's like super creamy. It's not like a dry kind of oily balm. It's one of those that just feels very hydrating and moisturizing immediately. I'm definitely gonna be trying this one out and I'm excited to see how it performs compared to my normal lip balm. Next we have the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate. This is a exfoliating treatment. It sounds like it works both as a physical and a chemical exfoliant. The lactic acid, I think, is the active chemical exfoliant. I don't tend to be using a lot of these right now because my skin is already pretty dry for the winter, but I might save this to use in the summer when I need more of that exfoliation. Last, we have a full-size Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I really like Tarte as a brand, but I've never actually used this mascara, so I'm excited to be able to try it out through this box. This is a cruelty-free and vegan product, which I absolutely love. According to the magazine, it's supposed to be just a really great all-around mascara. It doesn't say exactly what the 4-in-1 thing is supposed to mean, but it does have a nice traditional mascara brush, and according to the little magazine thing, it works really well just as a basic everyday mascara. Just as a quick review, there was 1 full-size item and 5 trial-size items in this Allure Beauty Box. Typically, I think you get around 5 to 7. There was only 1 makeup product, which was a little disappointing for me. A lot of the skincare stuff I kind of have a lot of already, and so I don't think I'll be using those immediately. However, this was only $15 and the mascara was $23, so this definitely paid for itself for me this month. If you are interested in trying new and popular products in the beauty world, this Allure Beauty Box can be a good value. Especially the first month, they have really good sort of intro gifts that definitely help pay for the price of the box. However, after subscribing for a little while, I found that some months tend to focus more on skincare or hair care, and other months tend to be more makeup focused. This month wasn't as much of a makeup focus, and so I don't think I'll be using as many of the products, at least immediately. However, I do think I will stay subscribed because at $15 it is very inexpensive, especially because they do include full-size products. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear if there's anything you're interested in trying from this box or if it's mostly stuff that you'd end up giving away. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.